Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. We are from group 4, which is SuperNonch, from tutorial group HK2. We'll be presenting about machine learning for this slide. So first and foremost, let's introduce you guys to the team consisting of 3 members. Firstly, Insyirah, Aleesa, and also Adib Asyraf. So in this presentation, we will be talking about 5 major things, which are what is machine learning, types of machine learning, the advantages and disadvantages, uses, and also we would summarize everything regarding machine learning by the end of this video.
So what is machine learning? Machine learning, in layman's term, is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that uses data and algorithms to create systems that can learn and improve automatically over time, without it being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. So how it works? Think of it as a child, and our goal is to teach that child to differentiate between an apple and a banana. So instead of telling him how an apple or a banana looks, we show him pictures. So the child will analyze the banana and the apple by its structure and colours. Thus, when we show him a picture of a banana and an apple without the label, he can differentiate between those two. So we replace the child with a computer. That is how machine learning works.
Now, let's go to the 3 main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Starting with supervised learning, this method uses labeled data, meaning the computer already knows the input and the correct output. The goal is to make predictions based on examples it has already seen. For instance, predicting house prices based on the past data. In the picture, you can see how label inputs guide the model to classify or predict outputs correctly. Next is unsupervised learning. Here, the data is unlabeled, so the model has to find hidden patterns or groupings by itself. It's like exploring a new city without a map. A common example is a customer segmentation, where businesses group people based on their shopping habits. The diagram shows raw, unlabeled shapes being organized into meaningful clusters. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. Instead of being given answers, the model learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. You can think of it like training a pet. Good behavior earns a treat, and bad behavior gets a scolding. The diagram shows an agent making observations, taking actions, and learning from the rewards it receives. This approach is widely used and popular in robotics and game AI.
Every innovation in this world has its own advantages and also disadvantages. But first of all, let's check the bright side of machine learning. Is it really helpful as it said? Let's check it out together. Firstly, machine learning easily identifies trends and patterns that won't be apparent to human. Ever heard them saying that every single thing that pops up on our FYP page on TikTok, Threads, or many more social medias are actually based on an algorithm of what we frequently scroll or we frequently visit? Yup. That is what Instagram and also Amazon implements in their business in order for them to cater relevant topics based on each and every single users they have. Moving on. Secondly, machine learning provides personalized learning according to students' needs and also pace of learning. For example, have you guys ever heard of an application called HK2? Yep. HK2 is actually a platform which implements the usage of machine learning to recommend lessons, exercises and videos according to students' progress, and interestingly, it will be linked to their teachers for evaluation and also further progress record. On the other hand, a language learning application called Duolingo also implements machine learning in order to analyze users' pronunciation, give real-time feedbacks, and also help users to master and also revise vocabulary of certain languages until they master it. Next, let's move on to the disadvantages of machine learning. Firstly, implementation of machine learning actually causes job displacement. Based on the data and statistics recorded by Ministry of Human Resources, nearly 19,000 to 75,000 job loss were recorded up till September 2024. This includes various fields such as ICT, aerospace, food manufacturing, accountancy, and many more as highlighted in the slide. Lastly, jobs in machine learning field requires a high cost of implementation. To summarize the table above, it is discovered that the annual salary for jobs or specialties under this field falls up to 96,000 to 240,000 ringgit per year, which requires a very high budget to make this a success.
For the uses of machine learning, there are 5 examples that applies machine learning in our daily life. The first one is entertainment. Popular apps such as TikTok and Netflix utilizes machine learning extensively to personalize content recommendations and enhance user experience. Machine learning is primarily used to create a hyper-personalized For You feed by analyzing user data to understand preferences and recommend relevant videos. The fourth one is the customer service, which uses chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can provide organizations with the additional support they need by assisting customers with their most basic needs. These chatbots are capable of responding to consumers' unique queries and directing them to appropriate resources so that customer support specialists can assist those with the trickiest of needs. Chatbots are computer programs that simulate human conversation, written or spoken. For example, a chatbot may prompt you to ask a question or describe a problem, and through that, it learns information about you based on data collected and evolved to be better so that it can assist you better over time.
To summarize, machine learning is a proof that we humans are working hard towards achieving conveniency and utilizing computer systems to solve our daily problems.